Hi, I am Saroj Dahiya Ratnoo, one of the authors of the book Essentials of R for Data Analytics by Wiley. I work for the Department of Computer Science and Engineering of Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology. This university is located in Hisar in Haryana. The other author of the book is Dr. Himmat Singh Ratnoo, who works for the Department of Economics, Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak, Haryana. I'm sure you know that these days data analytics is the most sought after skill to be added to your resume. So in this video I am going to answer two questions. One is why data analytics has become so important these days, and the second one is why should we use R as the platform for data analytics. Now, you know that we are gathering data these days at enormous rate, be it financial sector, be it medical sector, be it remote sensing or business retail sector. We are gathering data at enormous rate everywhere all over the world. Social media sites are gathering data in peta and zettabytes every day, and all this huge amount of data lies in data repositories. As such, this data lying in data repositories has no value, but at the same time this data has a lot of hidden information, provided that we are able to extract this information. So, data analytics is the field that helps us making sense out of data. Data analytics helps us to extract the valuable hidden insights and valuable information from huge data repositories. Now, once we have extracted this information from these data repositories, this information has value of gold, because we can use this information for decision making. A lot of business people are using data analytics for making decisions to improve their business, to improve the growth of their business, and at the same time policy makers can also make use of this information extracted from the data. Now, you would agree with me that instead of making decisions on the basis of our intuition, it is always better to make decisions on the basis of the evidence gathered from the data. So that's why data analytics is becoming important. Now I am going to answer the second question, why use R for data analytics. Now the first thing is R is an open source platform. You don't need to pay, it is free. You can simply download R and R Studio and you can start being data analytics. So that is the one reason for using R. Second is R is one of the most widely used platforms for doing any activities related to data analytics or data science, and this is very easy to learn. You don't need to be an experienced programmer for learning R. In fact, R has thousands and thousands of inbuilt functions. You need to write less code, and outputs are significant. At the same time, R keeps growing because the open source community of R keeps adding new packages to R. I have been working in R for last 7 to 8 years, and I haven't come across a situation where I could not do any activity related to data analytics using R. So that is very handy, and starting learning R is not difficult at all. So that answers the second question, why should we use R? And one more reason is that being the open source, there is very easy help available online for R. That is another reason for using R as a platform for data analytics. Now I am going to talk about the book. The book is written in a very user friendly manner. One of the author is from computer science background, and that is me, and the other author is from social science background. So the book is written in a very easy manner for the people who don't have any technical background or any programming experience. The book is written by following the philosophy of learning by doing. So chapter by chapter, it explains the concepts, then it gives the implementation code, and then it gives the output. So what you need to do is, you need to read through the concept first and then write the code in RStudio editor, execute the code, look at the output, and then validate the output with the one given in the book. And that way, right from beginning till end, it is a very easy swim. And with this, I would say that get started. What are you waiting for? We wish you all the best.